Welcome to Funky's World. Oh, I pulled a muscle. Right behind my right breast and underneath my collarbone. Shoot. What is that bone called? Shoulder blade. Okay, incredible. First of all, I need to take start my day 5. I think I may have erroneously said yesterday that yesterday was day 5, but it's not. So far, I have had a little bit of diarrhea. Nothing major. A bellyache and a little bit of nausea. Excuse me, high pollen count today. Ugh. High pollen count today. Let's bring you this way a little bit. Ugh. Right. Okay. One of the things that I ordered already came in today. And in 2 days, that's like a record. Today, I start out with 20 and go to 30. Tomorrow, I'm officially up to 30 twice a day. So, I set myself up a symptom tracker on my phone. Now, let me show you this package. Look at this. This is going to take me 9 years to open. Let me grab my scissors and see what I can do here. Anyway. Oh my God, there's an extra envelope inside for padding. This is insane. Okay, let's see if I can get it out now. There we go. Hey, I did it. Okay. Oh, I guess it's all one. Strange package. I'm going to Walmart with Diane today, and last night I was chatting with my cousin, and I jokingly said, "You didn't say happy birthday to me." My cousin that I went to New York with. She asked me for my email address. I thought that's odd. And she said, "Your present's in your mailbox. I meant to send you a card." I said, "Oh, you didn't have to do that." I went to my email and found a $50 Amazon gift card. Thank you. I love you too. It was not necessary. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I got my Connect. I also got, it was like $7.99, a clip for the top of the TV, for these TVs, to attach the Connect. And a game for it. So, the Kinect that I bought was cheaper than the Kinect without a game. This Kinect was the Kinect with Kinect Adventure. So okay, let's check this out. Alright, this is a stand for the Wii, which it's a cooling stand for the Wii. So I'm going to take this. Its plug is back here. Oh, nope. Oh, okay, yeah. And it has a fan if you need it. What is this? Oh, it doesn't come out. Okay. So let's attach this to the Wii. Then I'll show you some of the other stuff that came in this, which I thought was white, but looks like it's a black set. It does not matter to me. There we go. Okay. Fudge. Oh, fudge. Ouch. Okay, let's grab the Wii. Let's move these out of the way. Okay, let's grab the Wii. I'm going to pull that off. This goes into the USB port on the back of the Wii. Like that. There we go. And the Wii sits in it, just like that. And you can turn it on. Oh, but the Wii's not on, so it's not going to work. When the Wii's on, you turn it on. See that? Did I put that in backwards? I think so. Oh, yes, I did. Nope. That's the only way it would go. That's right. Because you want this part. Oh, you know what I did? It's entirely upside down. I'm not an idiot. Okay, there we go. Now it's right. Okay. This way. We'll connect these. Okay. Can you see it? Yep, you can see it on there. Oh, ow. Alright, let me show you the other pieces for this set. Oops, right there. Let's see. They come in a case, which I actually really like. Oops. As if I need instructions, right? Deluxe gaming 11-piece bundle. Yeah, I just put it in my owner's manuals folder. This is the box. I was shocked when Alexa told me it was here. Like that. Alright, let's check things out in here. Alright, I'm going to take everything out of the plastic. Again, I thought I got the white bundle to go with my white Wii, but I guess not. It doesn't matter. Just that they have bundles in different colors to go with whatever Wii you have. Alright, this is not getting open. do all of them after I get them out of their stupid plastic. But what are these? Oh, these are plants. Let me continue to unwrap everything here because I don't know what these stands are for. Because I don't understand these in the. Are these charging stands? No. No, they're just stands to hold the controllers. That's neat. I'll show you. Controller stand. Okay, and these stands can be attached to it. So, I'm not going to attach them to it because I don't have the room under there. But I can use these. Come back down here with me. Okay. This will help me tighten things up just a little bit. Can you see that? Yeah. We'll go. And we put the nunchuck in here with the cord sticking out. Oops. I had it there. I had it wrong. Then you take the controller, it goes right there. And you can sit it right here. How neat and tidy that looks. I can actually sit them right up on top. Or let me sit mine right up on top. Whoops. Which I think I'm going to do. Down here. My nunchuck keeps coming out. Why is that? No, first this way. Then we'll put it up here. Oh, I like that. And the other one is going to stay down here with Doug's controller and nunchuck in it. Where's the other nunchuck? Oh, where's the other nunchuck? Alright. I need to put a battery back in this. What was that? Oh. Come on. There we go. Alright. Here. move the wire controller over here with the other controllers. Okay. Oops. There we go. And finally, there we go. No, go this way. There we go. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it looks neat and tidy. I didn't even realize those were a part of it. Now, to show you this. I'm so short. Okay. First of all, we have the bag, which is amazing. We have a gun. Oh, that's cool. Which just comes up so you can put your controller in here, your nunchuck in here. And I put them in the bag as I show them to you. This is an extra set of AV cables, which hook into the adapter. I don't need it, so I'm just going to put it right in the bag. Okay. This is the handle. Now, what I like about this handle is it's a screw-on, not a clip-on. What the heck? Why is that crooked? There we go. You put the controller in here, you have yourself a tennis racket. You unscrew the tennis racket. Well, you have a steering wheel. That doesn't get screwed onto here. And you screw this on. I have one more. It's over here. Screw this on, and you have yourself a golf club. And you screw this onto the handle, and you have yourself a baseball bat. So, I love the fact that all on the same handle, and they're screw-on. They're not that clip-on that broke. So, take this out. The bag clips shut right here. Click. And fit. I'll show you. Perfect. There we go. I'm going to keep this piece of garbage. So, today is SummerSlam, so we'll be making pizza later. So it's quite a daily journal. And this is where I put my controller. My controller and my nunchuck are right there. Gotta figure out how this nunchuck goes. How did I put dogs in so easily? Let me see. Ow. Okay, I did it with the come on. There we go. Just move that out of the way. Perfect. Good. Now it's in right. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And again, thank you so much, Renee. It was so sweet, kind. And very generous. So thanks to you, I get my Connect. Next month's Amazon order will be Dawn's birthday present. My outfit for Oktoberfest. I needed a period costume for Oktoberfest. So. Oh, and I made a small order from my checkbook yesterday, just to get a desk organizer, and I found some very inexpensive, when I was looking for a desk organizer, cord holders for the charging cables. They're just these little things, you stick them to the desk, and you put the cord in and pull it up through. I just took the medicine. And it holds it, so I'm not digging down on the floor, my chair's not sitting on it, all that kinds of stuff. And I can clean up that mess over there as well. So, and I managed to find a desk organizer that I like, that will fit my clipboard, my new clipboard that's coming in for Kid Missing, and the old one. So, plus, you know, stuff in the little drawers and stuff. So, and it matches my pen holder, which is great. And that was, like I said, that was a small order. I used my checkbook for that. Yeah, those things are supposed to connect to the cooling stand, but I don't have enough room down there to do that. I'd have to move all my games. I'm not going to do that. I actually like it sitting there. It looks nice. And the other one is down there. So I'm happy. My carpet is messed up here. There we go. I'm going to Walmart with that this afternoon. Whoops. I'm going to get my birthday cake. I did some office cleaning yesterday, which, excuse me, will go up today. And we'll make our pizza. So we're going to have 4 videos total today. So I'm going to go do my housework so I can be all set. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you later. Please subscribe to both channels. Link in the description to Kid Missing. Please remember to ring the bells. And I finally saw someone else say you can customize it. You can either do all videos or some videos. Is apparently how it works. It's the first time I saw anybody but me say it, so. Bye, guys. God bless you.